So on the 8th of December, I was meant to go for an inspection. So I came to Opera Square to wait for my driver. Then I came across this amazing event happening in Enugu State. I was surprised because I wasn't expecting it. So this is a food and fashion festival. And as you can see, I came very early when they were still setting up everything. So I just sticked around for a while, made a little video showcasing everything that is going on in this festival. By his side is also a food court. Like, a lot of eateries came out to display their food. A lot of vendors came out to display their food, and even drink companies. Like, everything was amazing. I loved the setup. I love how everything was going. So I decided to stay for a while, make a video. Then after my inspection, I came back to, watch the fashion show, right? So watch this video to the end so that you can see how the fashion show went. You can also rate Enugu fashion, because I don't want to say what I felt or what I was thinking, but we really need, Enugu needs to up their game. Like, their fashion, it's, should I say, a 4/10, because I was not really understanding what was going on. The match and everything, only few people that were able to, attract my attention, that I loved their design and stuff, but the rest, I really didn't know what was going on. Okay, so just watch this video to the end so that you see what I'm talking about, and you can also rate the fashion show in Enugu State over 10, because I can't be the only one doing that. So I hope you have an amazing time watching this video. I hope you enjoy yourself watching this video. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's very important. If you love this video and you want more of what I do, because I'm a real estate consultant and agent in Enugu State, so I sell properties in Enugu State, both for investment and buy and build. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for anything at all, any property. And if you like this video that I posted, if you want more of this, just like and subscribe. Okay.
You're not ashamed of your body. If you feel that you're sexy all the same, don't be ashamed. This is your opportunity. Whether you are big or small or thin or tall, it doesn't